Usap-usapan sa mundo ng boxing na kung ikaw ay isang dayo sa baluarte ng kalaban, ay siguraduhin mo na matutulog ang kalaban para maiwasan ang dayaan. Lalo na sa mga lugar na kilala sa mga lutong Macau na resulta. Di lang kasi isa ang kalaban mo, kundi pati referee at mga hurado. Gaya na lang sa nangyari sa ating bida na taga Davao na si Genesis Libranza alias Cobra. Dumayo sa South Africa para paglabanan ang IBF International Super Flyweight title kontra sa kalabang South African, ang undefeated young prospect nila na si Pumilili Kapo. Dilingid sa ating kaalaman na matunog ang lugar na South Africa sa mga questionabling resulta, at isa na nga dito ang laban ni Libranza na naganap noong August 20, 2023 sa Soweto, South Africa. Nayanig kasi ang mga boxing fanatics dahil sa isang nakakagulat na resulta, unanimous decision pabor sa South African na si Kapo. Pero marami ang nagsasabing maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw ang panalo ni Libranza. Mas agresibo ito at mas nakakatama ng solido. Ilang beses na hilo at may mga tawag pa ng referee na questionable. Madalas yung mayakap ang kalaban at ilang beses din niyang binalibag si kabayan. Pero ang referee ay pikit mata lang, at ayon sa ating pananaliksik ay puro taga South Africa din pala at 3 hurado sa laban nila. So alam na ang resulta, di ba? No knockout, no win sa South Africa. Ating balikan ang controversial na laban ni Genesis Libranza alias Cobra ng Davao kontra Pumilili Kapo ng South Africa. Ating panoorin kung may punto ba ang nagsasabing lutong Macau umano ang resulta ng laban nila.
Fighting against the Philippines. The bell sounds for the start of the opening round of a scheduled 10-rounder for this around the belt and around the leg ends. Thanks for joining us on the final bout of the afternoon. Fighter, and he's fighting a good fight here today. Good left hook hook. Nice hand speed already. He's ready to see what is the game. As you see, he's relaxed. Knows exactly what he's doing out there, and he picks his punches perfectly. Almost 8 months ago against Jackson Chowke from Tembisa, won on a split decision at the Orient Theatre or the Filipino Games and Amusement, 11 bouts. Double edge, about 40 Libranza. Nice little uppercut on the inside. There's another one. Big from the Cobra. Big left from Libranza. Coffee throws back. Oh, this is what you want to see in a title fight. Green bouts, including both the South Africans, but in the 2 fights. It's good, his speed is good. Up and down, he gets from Kapu. Signaling his intent though, no doubt. But I'll tell you what, Libranza can bang punches. It's quite incredible that in 11 fights there's 3 draws. He's full of talent. I mean, you've got Jackson Chowke there, that's the rest. The division is back from junior bantam to bantamweight with great talent. And as well, nice body work done by the Filipino boxer right now. Establishment of the jab here from Kafu, but effectively, but you're only as good as your opponent allows you to be. And Kafu's so slick and so sharp. When you get him, he doesn't let you hit him. So he hits you off the punches. His punches are slower than Uppercut. They've still got 18. Given so just sorry, slightly correct you there. He turned pro at the age of 18, but Kafu quite happy to fight on the back foot, and then he snipes in and out. Libranza almost trying to do the same. Long rangey right hand, then goes for the uppercuts and. Right hand from Kapu. There's a bit of blood on his nose though. Goes to work on the inside. Good work from Libranza. Nice uppercut. Kapu misses. Oh, good left hook from Libranza. South African Junior Maroetar on the same tournament. Switch hitting. Oh, gets caught with the right hand from Kapu. Good jab from Kapu. Left right. A little bit more purposeful maybe. But he's being picked off by the shot from Pumilili Kapu. Massive right hand from Libranza. That got the attention from Kafu. Oh, another big right hand. Well, Kafu's in trouble here in this fight. You can feel it all the way through your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder. You know when you've sent in a good punch. It's out of 22 for nothing. You're fighting behind the jab, Kafu. It's a nice straight right hand. The right uppercut from Kafu. Nice punch from Kafu. How do you put Kafu? Isn't working for Kafu. He's got a blood punch. But a right hand over the top. Brilliant stuff. Holding around there, not throwing enough punches. Down with the right hand, Kafu. Yeah, one back. Oh. Well, run. Second half of this bout, our championship bout, our headline bout. Kafu again just backing away momentarily. It's been a success for him though. The straight punches, they can be very purposeful. Good punch on that occasion, those straight punches. The Bronzer needs to get busy, needs to get going. There's no way you're going to beat Kafu and those Kafu. Exactly, like this laser now. Get the aggression going, and then back off. Nice combination. Left hand from Libranza. Combination. Oh, almost a left hand that landed there from Libranza. The Libranza is the direction of the fight. Can put you out. 10 seconds away from the end of round number 6. Now still take that Kafu. He's fighting an intelligent fight. It's a nice snappy left hand from Libranza. Double jab from Kafu. Left hand from Libranza as well. If you reverted the range and you throw the nice snapping for right hand in there. There's another one. Really. Round number 7, the champion. Oh. Still some crispness. Crisp left hand from Libranza. Tries to follow up on it, doesn't. Boxing this country comes from super sport. Combination all off the gloves there. His work rate's good. He's a come forward fighter.
But he needs the guy to stand in front of him. Oh, good left hook. And Kafu's in trouble. Oh, Jesus, he's got him in trouble here. Kafu's trying to hold on for all the little delay. How much does that benefit Kafu? Now, Libranza is on the hunt. Libranza's putting on the beat. You see the buzz on the step of Genesis Libranza. Both fighters go. He's losing this fight. Oh, big left and right there from Kafu. Wow. That's certainly been good returns today. Far gone to the scorecards. It shows you this by Kafu. Unfortunately, nice left right combination for Kafu. He's not landing with power punches. He's landing lots of punches. Lebronze knows he can hurt his man. But he must be a Kamandag. There was church services. Penultimate round. Nice right hand. Afraid to go down the ropes as well. And honestly, I think Lebronze's let Kafu off the hook a few times. But he's still a good fighter. Both boxers at the moment. Also from Lebronze, but like in the 3 minutes. Another Kafu. Genesis Libranza. 2 minutes remaining. Oh, nice left hand from Libranza. Massive left hook and Kafu to attempt the final round and Kafu's in trouble. That's twice now. We've had those little wrestling. Brilliant hand speed from Kafu. That's as if he changed his mind. Now he goes upstairs, throws in contest. A good fight. 40 seconds remaining. Oh, lovely punch. And Kafu's hurt again. 10 seconds remaining. Kafu just trying to get out of the water. The odds are being done. In fact, it is done. Will it be win number 21 or is it going to be loss number 3? Both fighters seem to have enjoyed themselves.
From South Africa, Umobra, the truth.